Hello everybody. In this video we are going to show you how to protect your vehicle engine and your fuel system from rust and metal pieces. Now in this particular car we are going to open up the fuel tank. And this particular owner had to replace 3 new pumps within 3 months because of this rust formed inside the tank. And there is a method which I have used to overcome that problem. Now we'll see. This rust formation inside the tanks can damage your pump, and also if it goes from your filters to the engine, it can damage your injectors too. So always use good filters to the system. Now you can see at the bottom we have fitted a magnet inside. There is the magnet. So you can clearly see it when you take it out. See? All the metal pieces are stuck on the magnet, which will prevent going into the engine or the fuel system. And you must clean it well before you refix it. All these are very fine rust. All these very fine rust pieces can go through this strainer and to the pump, which will damage the pump, and also it goes to the fuel system through this pipe and goes to the secondary filter. And if your secondary filter is bad, then it will get blocked or will go to the engine. See, you can see this dark area is filled with all this very fine rusty dust. So always use a good filter. Now we are going to refix the magnet. And then we fix the pump back. In this particular vehicle, we have fitted a magnet below the tank, that is from outside of the tank. That is also to prevent all these metal pieces going into the fuel system. And this particular vehicle doesn't have a drain screw. Now we are going to see a gearbox. In this particular vehicle gearbox, there is a magnetic plug. So in case of metal pieces breaks inside the gearbox, it will come down to the drain area and will get stuck on the magnet, and which will protect them turning with the gear wheels. Let's see what measures we have taken to protect the engine from metal pieces inside the sump. See, we have fitted a magnet at the bottom of the sump near the drain plug. So before we drain oil, we remove the magnet. So that all the metal pieces which has formed inside the sump near the magnet area will drain out with the oil. So these small pieces can form due to the wear and tear of the engine and mechanical parts inside the engine. So this particular plug, it is not a magnetic plug. So that's why we have fitted a separate magnet at the bottom of the sump. So I think these little hints will help you to protect your vehicle. And please subscribe my channel if you are interested in this video. Next time we'll come out with another useful video. Until then, goodbye.